All right. Hey, everyone. If you need to make quick adjustments to your automations in ActiveCampaign, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you how to edit your automations fast so you can keep your marketing running smoothly. So let's get into it. All right. So head over to the Automations tab in ActiveCampaign and select the automation you want to edit. I've already selected this one. Once inside, you'll see this visual workflow builder, which makes it easy to see how your automation is structured. So if you need to edit an email, let's just click on that. Let me just zoom in. There we go. Click on edit email. All right. And you can quickly update the content or the sending conditions. All right, so please complete your purchase to get a 50% discount. There we go. And then you save and exit. All right, you can also rearrange actions by dragging and dropping them into different positions. Let's say over here, and move single action. There we go. And there you have it. And then if you need to add new actions, all you have to do is to click the plus icon here at any point in the automation and choose from the available actions like sending emails, applying tags, and so forth. Once your edits are done, hit save and exit, and your automation will continue running with the new updates. So editing automations in ActiveCampaign is super easy, and it keeps your workflows agile. So if you're new to ActiveCampaign, grab a free trial in the description and start optimizing your workflows today.